This video will be about adding Amazon affiliate links to your website. So you want to start on the main page and you can go to the left menu bar over here and go to the top button menus and pages and click on that. And that will open the site menu for the website. And here you can see all the pages that we have so far. And now we're going to add a new page for a new category for your Amazon affiliate account, and that will be bathing. So I'll go ahead and add a new page, and I'm going to name that page bathing. And then once I create the page, I want to make this page a subpage of the adaptive equipment just to keep it organized. That way I know where to find the bathing page. So then I want to add a heading for the page, and I think I'm going to add a size 5 heading, and then I'm going to drag it up here, click on the text, double click on the text, and then we're going to call this bathing. And you can see a text setting menu pulls up, and you can change the font, change the size, bold it, add some formatting if you want. You can also change the size of the text box. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to add, and then we're going to go to embed. And embed is how you create a special box to add the Amazon affiliate link. So in embed, I'm going to click on the HTML iframe that allows us to add code to the website. In this case, we're adding code from the Amazon affiliate link. And I'm also going to add a button. So I'm going to go here to the add button and then select button. And there's all different types of buttons, and I'm going to select a button that says buy now. And as you can see, there's all sorts of different types of buttons. But I like this style, the simple black text over on a white box. So I'm going to add this. And where did that go? All right. There it goes. Okay. So now this, I'm going to line it up with my little box here. Line that up. And I'm going to double click on that to pull up a settings. I do not want a pay button, so I'm going to get out of here and delete this and add a here we go. There we go. I like this button a little better. I'm going to double click on it, change the text, say buy now, and exit out of it for now. And then we have our setup here for our Amazon affiliate item. So then we're going to go to our Amazon affiliate page, and you're going to sign in to your page and go to the product links up here. And then you can type in what you're looking for. So I am going to type into this adaptive bathing. search for that. Oh, we're going to try that again. Oh, I have to spell it correctly. Adaptive bathing. That'll work. All right, here we go. And here you can see a number of different items from the Amazon website that are related to adaptive bathing. And I'm going to start with a basic long-handled sponge. So I found the item that I want to add, and I go over here to the button on the right, and I click on that little down arrow, and it comes up with this code. This is the link to the item on the Amazon website. So I do Control C for copy, and I go back to our website, and I click on the button, and when I click on the button, a little menu comes up, and I go over to the link button. I click on that, and I say that it's a web address. I paste the link here, Control V for paste, and I make sure that it opens in a new window. And then I'm done. And then I have one more step. I'm going to go back to the Amazon affiliate website, and on that same little box that we pulled up previously, I'm going to click on the little button on the right bottom part of this window, and it's called Build Link. I'm going to click on that, and here you see that this is the image for the item. And so here you have, the Amazon logo and like the information, the price and all that stuff, and the button Shop Now. But I actually only want the image. I don't necessarily want all the details of the Amazon logo and all that stuff. So I will see that it's linked to the detail page, and it's a large image as opposed to a small image. And then down here is the code linking that picture. So I highlight all the code and do Control C, and then go back to our box right here. And then once I click on it, a little menu bar comes up, and I want to click on Enter Code. And make sure the code is selected, and click in this box and do Control V to paste the information and hit Apply. Once you hit Apply, you can close this box and then adjust the window to make sure that you are showing the whole picture as it is displayed from the Amazon account. And I'm just adjusting this little window, and I'm pulling it. There we go. All right. And now I'm just going to adjust these little boxes so that they line up appropriately. And so you want to make sure that the whole picture is shown. And if you have this little scroll bar show up, that means that the whole picture is not being shown. So I just want to make it big enough. And then of course align it so that it's not overlapping any other items. So now you have the image box and the button, and it's all lined up the way I like. And so I can actually highlight both items, and by clicking on both items while holding down the Shift key, and then click Group Items. And now I can do a right click on the image and do a duplicate. And that creates the same image, and I bring it over here, and then I can duplicate this again. Oh, that's not what I want. Right click on the image and hit duplicate, and bring that over here. And I'm not sure why that one grabbed the image but not the button. So I'm going to ungroup these items and click on this button exclusively, and right click on that, and I'll hit duplicate again and just bring that over here. And you can see there's a little pink line that's lining this button with this button, and then we can align it, we can land all of these buttons together, but I'll do that in just a moment. So once you've created your initial link, then you can copy and paste it. But of course, now these are the same item. So what you want to do is you'll want to go back to your Amazon Associate account. We'll get out of that page and we'll go back to our original page, get out of there. And then we're going to look for another item that's under the bathing. So here we have a shower chair, variety of different shower chairs. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. And then again, what I do is I go to the right of that. I find the thing that I want and click on the right of the link, and I copy the link with Control C. And then I click on the button and I click on the link, and I make sure it's a web address that opens in a new window. Delete the old link by hitting the backspace, and then Control C to add the new link. And then I go back to Amazon Affiliate and click on Build the Link. And once again, we come to this picture, and I want to click on Image Only. Make sure it's the detail page, the large size, and then Control highlight the text, Control C, and then go back here, click on the box, and the menu will come up. You edit code, hit backspace to clear the box, Control V to add the new information, and update. And there you have the new item. And then we're going to do that same thing with this one. We're going to go back to Amazon Associates and get out of this. Then we're going to scroll down, see what else we can find under adaptive bathing. And if adaptive bathing is not pulling up all the information that you would consider related to bathing, then you can utilize a different search word. So for example, I might search for, let's see, shower bench, for example. And here we have a variety. This is a nice one because there is a tub transfer bench, which is super important. So I found the item that I want. I go to the right and click on the down arrow to get the link. Highlight the link and do Control C. Go back to the website and click on the button. Click on the link. Pulls up the menu. Backspace. Make sure it's the web address. New window. Done. And then click on the box. Go back to Amazon Affiliate. Build the link. Image only. Alright, everything is the way we want it. And go ahead and highlight the text. Do Control C. Go back here, edit code. backspace, Control V, and update. And there we have it. And now to make sure that everything is lined up, so we can align it. Hold on. We can line it to the top. And we can also distribute it so it's even. And then these, I'm not sure they're lined up, so we're gonna ungroup that. Ungroup elements. Here we go. All right, so hold down Shift and select all three of the elements that you want to align. Distribute evenly and align it so it's all in line. And then the other thing you can also do is we can match width, match. So I'm going to do that with these boxes. I'm going to highlight these boxes and match. Make sure they're all the same size. So then we've created the first three elements, and then you can select this. Let's see. Holding down Shift, select all 6 elements. You can group them, and then you can right-click, and you can copy, and you can adjust the page height, give you more space. Then you can go right here and click Control V, and then line that up. And there you have it. And then you go into these items and change the code.